That's what I'm saying. Like, yo, you can like move the seat up, bro. Nigga, boy. Niggas out here feed my sons in the snow, man. Sons? Guess my sons, right? It's so cool, bro. What if my shit not even working because of Bluetooth? I'm gonna be sick. What them niggas do? Who? Oh! Nah. Yo. Yeah. Hey, you know? Yo, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video of Solo TV 100. We out here with Caesar and this whole ass nigga right here. We with Jay, bro. Where we going? Wendy's or Cookout? I guess, nigga. As y'all see, bro, it's snowing like a bitch. We should do Ox Wars. One of y'all, what you call it? Connect to my shit. Nah, no, what you call it though? Copyright, straight niggas that y'all know. I want to hear some random shit. Like underground? Like underground? Damn near, like somebody y'all know or like from the city, from y'all city. Huh? You connect. Hold up. I don't even know how to work my shit.
Ready.
C.
Select one of the following. Device pairing, confirmation prompts, select phone, select audio device, language, emergency, towing assistance, SMS incoming
Damn,
message
nigga, stop
announcement,
talking, bro.
phone book download, voice training, or reset.
Device pairing.
Do you want to pair a device, delete a device?
Pair device.
Refer to www.uconnectphone.com for a list of supported Bluetooth devices. Please say the name of the device after the beep. Please say the name of the device after the beep.
What is it? iPhone 1.
Adding.
iPhone 1.
Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Should paired device be set as favorite?
Hell nah.
Misrecognition.
No.
Start pairing procedure on device. See device manual for instructions.
You better not connect my shit on a regular day.
Pairing complete. Device stored with priority to.
Priority? What's up with her? I want to hear. I'm open to all music though. Am I ready? Yo, y'all finna go on a trip with us to Cookout in the snow. Nigga, that's my music. Oh, it is coming out of the car. Why it sound like that? That's beat. I ain't gonna lie, to sound low key hard.
Tell you I love you before the young niggas meant it. That niggas die because of a block. You come from that side and you already in. Practice so you start losing. They try to indict us whenever they see niggas win. Reaching out rappers, I really can stop on them rats. So look at this shit I can. We locked it up, ended up losing KD a minute home. Just off of me rapping this shit, I can start me a business. I you was the one that we had to compress all the time. Why the fuck did you rap about killing? And I can tell by the way that he rock, this shit really be calculated how you live. I doing shit on your game. Who the fuck is your game? You don't even know niggas with it. I know some niggas live up to the trap in the kitchen who play with that one like a kid. I know some niggas who lose.
I'm trying to get the snow off my hood, bro.
I'm 17, yeah, I'm young and I'll probably be 50 whenever they finish. I'm trying to copy a bet, I feel like be the first to do some shit that ain't real. I call up an eater who ready to flash a nigga. I stand out my fucking head. I got kid out of school and I ain't give a fuck if Attention, look at me like I was a menace. Mama still here and I put her through shit that you couldn't imagine. I swear you the realest. I tell her drop me out back in the hood and she told me I should have kept you from the trenches. But fuck around, I been had to stack with a max in the city, bitch. I be the stick. Niggas who try to be gang, we not even related, be calling me cuz. All of these hoes just be ready to fuck, cause a young nigga got some buzz. I got you before the young nigga meant. It's that niggas dying because of a block. You come from that side and you already in.
Jay, how you fuck with the song, bro? I only got my lights on. What you rating the song, G?
7.5.
7. I don't know. I feel like 7 is like a number you can't go with, bro. Cause it's like, nigga, you said 7.5. You straight. I'm saying 7 is like you can't go with 7. I go 6.5. Yeah. Nah, I like the lyrics. The sound was alright. It's just a 6.5, bro. Huh? I'm not, bro. That shit hard. Not everything's a 10 though. Not from everybody. What you rated 10? That's your music. Jay. They finna play some country music. They finna hop on here talking about tractors. I'm gonna get mad, bro. Huh? Nah, bro. Why you got his hazards on? Nigga, it's snow, gang. Probably because we out here in the sticks. Bro, I gotta start streaming, gang. I just don't want to set up. Like, I don't want to like be in a room streaming. I just want to walk around, like. But nigga, I'm not finna be streaming with 2 people watching my shit. I guess. Yeah. Most people blow up off doing dumb shit. I'm not a dumb nigga, bro. I'm not finna go in Walmart and do no crazy shit. Get views. That's what I'm saying. People be doing pranks. Nigga not finna get kicked out of Walmart, bro. It's only one Walmart in the city. She said shit ass. Shit finna be some rock star shit. Okay. Yeah.
Before you hop in this world, nigga, rapper, nigga, shit, he gon' get his ass cracked on check. Get your hop in this weather, that back end wetter. Bitch,
No.
his ass get it off, get him set up. You loving that bitch, you be giving that nigga. Bitch, you like think I be running that checker. I'm checking that shit at the door, gon' step out the beat too expensive, be fucking the checker. All right, see, but we dressed with catch it. Jump out the back, I be lifting that step, nigga, put on the harness, we fucking that vest. So you bitch niggas leaking your ass, need to catch it. Fuck with life, I'm out of bitch, I fuck with fun, just got us a chip up. Throwing that beach in front of my hip hop, taking the shit out again. The chick out, get that shit up, we'll turn to a stick up. Skate up, they gon' get caught when they click out the back, when they rip out the blood, when they slip on that dress, going on back down, don't get up. On my to the star, I'm right on the shoe. When this shit going on, I jump at the you. Niggas got in that room.
Who this, Jay? Oh. Nigga, I know who Keith Active is.
Been through the city, that bitch shit dog. You fuck with the fire, that bitch we pull. That city on play, we gon' hop out the crowd. That nigga twisted the fuck to the sky. They jerking the cop when they fly through the west. Go to ball on the glass, bro, go for the win, man. Out on they block, make hot do it.
Throw the ball off the glass, nigga, go for the. I don't know. I don't know, bro. What do y'all want to hear, bro? Y'all want to hear? Both my songs I got in mind is hype, but y'all want to hear like some regular hype shit or like some shit you wouldn't hear before, like some rock star shit. Like, see you, I'm telling you, bro. Rock star, I got you. A different sound, bro. You gotta be versatile with this shit. I'm telling you. Nah, I know what I'm gonna play. You call this shit anything under a 9? Wait, what you rate that? See that song? I get it a 5. Nah, I mean DMV. Like, you can't go wrong with DMV. That's like some slide music, but like I like a lot of like pain rap, nigga, like Huncho, Lil Papa. Yo was just trying to crash, bro. I'm out of that. I'm out of that phase. Crash, nigga. I'm not no YN, bro. I teach the YNs, bro, how to do something better. Ask about me. I can't find it. Huh? Oh God, bro. Somebody gotta be. I show him what not to do. I can't even find my shit. Slide. You gonna pay your cash?
I'm not gonna lie, I was waiting for him to say something. I was thinking the same thing. So I just, you know what I'm saying? You know, just like mid one corner. I promise you, it's not.
Promise I crash, nigga. Listen to what he's saying too, though. Not just the sound, bro. Bitch. I know. Fuck you smiling about, nigga? She want these hands? Like I'm Hugo. Nigga, but I don't mind do it. You can't come around, I might do it. I be down, running into it. Still making hits out of Uber. I'm sorry, I want to use Uber. Might take a chop out of Cuba. Might just go grab me some Cubans. Niggas broke there, they did the losing. Don't be calling me and trying to figure out where I'm. Stuff in the racks in the sofa. I'm trying to get rich in the Oprah. Swerving like, can I get over? We at your front like you. I'm Brian, I'm steadily moving. Me and my brothers, we know what to do with it. I don't want that her crew hit it. Keep calling my phone and like, who did it? Shit can get poppin' just like a cattle. I cut my foot on the same level. Niggas be stuck on the same level. We wanted to roll like roll rap. I shut my nigga my whole apple. I need a gold medal. I told my island stay level. Fuck his niggas laughing about. Alright, you can go next song. Yeah, bro.
That's a normal thing when guests. I ain't gonna say it's
I see
wrong
y'all
to show
niggas
love,
is.
but if it ain't genuine, why do it? Like, if it ain't real, like, you know what
I'm
I'm
finna get a whole milkshake in the snow, bro.
Like, I know, like, you know.
In the snow, bro.
Like that. You know what I'm saying? Me either, but we always gonna be ourselves no matter what. Show up, show out, and stand up. I got Mike. I cut him off, no, I don't feel like dealing with fake love. But I'm chasing that high cause he hurts to the point it might take him a fake drug. I know how I feel when the bitches you look fucking off, I fucking your face up. The pain that I felt tatted on me forever, I've been through some shit I can't make up. Every I go to sleep, I be taking shit up with my demons at night till I wake up. Just know I was wishing to be with my granny if I did, I can't wake up. I can't let him know how I'm feeling, so Eli just don't ever say much. I'm a man at the end of the day, shit, I'm supposed to be able to take some. I done been left in my lords before with just me and my thoughts. I can't let the chopper come out of my sight, niggas planning on taking me out. I be wishing this shit would've went a little different, it's too late to switch up the route. Trying to control all the voices inside of my head, but they taking me over right now. I'm starting to hit like 1,001 and these bitches been getting too loud. I be stuck in my head, I be trying to escape, but this shit be so hard to get out. I be missing my girl and she supposed to be proud, but I feel like I'm laying her down. She will put me on game by these hoes and I'm laying these bitches around. I wanna speak on the ones in the grave, but it's really too many to count. And the ones that got locked in the system, I'm praying they holding me down. I be in my thoughts and get mad and make me wanna let off a round. If he ain't trying to blow smoke from his spot when it's time, you don't need him around. I cut him off, no, I don't feel like dealing with fake love. All them chasing that high, cause he hurts to the point he might take him a fake drug. I know how it feel when the bitches you love fucking off, I'll fucking your face up. The pain that I felt tied on me forever, I've been through some shit I can't make up. Before I go to sleep, I be taking shit up on my demons.
How many orders can you do?
Just know I was wishing to be with my granny if I did,
Can you do 3?
I can't let them know how I'm feeling. So
you can only do 3?
I'm a man at the end of the day, shit, I'm supposed to be able to take some.
I know some spots say 2. I feel like we came here one time and did like 5, bro. I don't know what I want. I know I want a milkshake. I'm gonna get some different shit. I'm gonna get a caramel fudge. Watch. Jay, what you getting? You know what you want.
Not really.
Nigga.
Oh shit, damn.
Nah, chill. I got mine, bro. What you want? This nigga's been talking about food for the last 2 hours. The last 2 hours, gang. This nigga. I want a 50 piece from Wendy's. It's only $15. I see you looking at me, nigga. Nigga say you want a 50 piece, bro. What do you want? What?
A spicy chicken tray.
Fat ass. What size, gang?
We get bacon wrap and Cajun fries.
Bacon wrap, Cajun fries, spicy chicken tray.
We get a side order of nuggets.
I ain't gonna lie, I rate that song like an 8. I like what he was saying. It's still like the same flow as his first song, though. It's Caesar's first song.
Give it a 7.
I heard that before, though. I got 3 orders. For the first one, can I get a... You said spicy chicken tray? Can I get a spicy chicken tray? With bacon wrap?
Lettuce and tomato.
Lettuce and tomatoes.
No mayo.
No mayo.
2 sides of drink.
Cajun fries and a bacon wrap.
Cajun fries and a bacon wrap. What?
Good drink.
Fruit punch light ice.
A fruit punch light ice. What you gonna see?
Hey, side order of nuggets.
Oh,
nigga.
my big ass.
Okay.
And then a side order of nuggets. My fault. Big ass nigga. Alright. I don't know what I want. I'm gonna get corn dogs. What's funny, bro?
Okay, what else for the first order?
That's it for the first order.
10.68 for the first. Give me 1 second for the second.
Okay.
You get the corn dog nigga?
2 of them. It come with the meal, bruh. 2 corn dog junior tray. Nah, it's Jay turn. What you gonna see? Can I get a cheeseburger junior tray?
What's on the burger and cheese?
Ketchup, mayo, and lettuce.
2 sides of drink.
Ooh. Say nah. Can I get double cheese bites? Snow getting all in my
Big
shit.
drink.
And a caramel fudge milkshake.
Okay.
Alright, that's it for the second order.
9.30 for the second. Go ahead with the third.
For that third order, can I just get a chocolate milkshake? That's it.
Okay.
And that's it for that third order.
427. 10.68 for the first. 9.30 for the second. 427 for the second.
Alright, thank you. Bro, I wanna. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, cause she gonna be like, you just hold it, cause she gonna be tripping. Oh, Jay, you got the first order though. Yeah, nigga. Hey up, young nigga. Whoa.
This your song, Jaden?
Whatever one. Pick one. Fuck no. Hell nah, he tripping. How you doing?
Shit for the first.
My shit hard.
Appreciate you, my heart.
Not 30 for the second.
I ain't gonna lie. Don't show your card on the camera, nigga.
I did.
427 for the third. He's like, what I said no, man.
I ain't gonna lie, Jay. I'm so thirsty. I down there drunk your drink, bro. I thought about just putting a straw in it. You just gonna close it, nigga? Let me know something. Niggas getting snowed on.
Appreciate you, puss ass nigga.
Okay, I ain't gonna lie. This might be hard. Who this?
238.
Hold up, pause.
This is the chopper.
Alright. Why they give you a small milkshake? Why they give you the small milkshakes? Yeah. I thought it was bigger than that. They got new sizes? It's been like it's wider, bro. I'm telling you. I don't know. Maybe I'm fat, bro. I don't even know what order this is. Oh, it's 2 bags. Big nigga. Damn. I asked her for a lot. What sauce you want to see? Oh, can I get cookout and Polynesian sauce? I was looking for your food. That's why I was like, what sauce you want? Cause I'm like, bro,
You know this nigga got a
come on. Alright, oh. Alright, thank you. I said cook. Alright. I said cookout and Polynesian, right? Alright. Type shit. Oh, my fault. Thank you. I was talking. Damn, bro, she should give me a bag for this. Yo, Jay, do your work, bro. My fault.
You know.
Huh? She gave us like 5 Polynesian, gang. I ain't gonna lie, the person behind me probably like, dang. I ain't gonna lie. On a man. You can give it back to C. Bro, this is not 2 something, bro. It sound like semi. That's not semi, homie. That's not semi, homie. Semi, homie. Oh God, that's not him. Bro, that nigga is capping. Oh, that's 12. You put me over this, bro. I ain't gonna lie. And I'm throwing these bitches. Bro, that is not alright. Jay, bro. Whoever that is lying, my nigga. Where is he from? Bro, that is alright. Next song, bro. That is semi. Cause, bro, yo, like I used to be one of my, I'm not even dig right. I used to fuck with semi, bro, and this nigga sound that shit cap, bro. Yeah, that was hard though. I like some of his. He didn't really have a lot of lyrics though. It was like the same thing. It's my dog. Y'all gotta fuck with this one.
Hey, yo, when I tell you, turn me up.
Now y'all just hating on me at this point. A minute ago. A minute ago, I wanted to quit. My bro was calling me on the joke.
Every day we outside, we risk
Touching how I'm feeling. Getting all these chicks for that beef, I don't fuck with niggas.
Only steak I'm out at dinner. I'm really rich. I pay the killer. From a dime, never served a nick. You better not smoke. You only got a zip.
I buy pounds, I'm like a nigga, I'm different from the trench. My baby never see the trenches. Fuck that young shit, stand on business. I'm in the studio with my baby girl.
Whatever she point at, she can get it. Was just in New York with all my hearts. Whoever I point at, they gon' hit them. Wear them cars, Panamera roofs. You see that goose hanging out that ceiling.
Like AJ Brown, I scored in Philly.
I would kill it, so still act silly. Love these drugs.
I feel like Skrilla.
You niggas might never see a dub till y'all like 50.
I ain't a club type of nigga, so I'm in a club still in my feelings. A minute ago, nigga wanted to quit. My brother was calling me on the jail phone like, bro, you the ticket.
Every day we outside, we risk, we hold them.
Listen all them glizzies.
Now I don't miss them off these drugs. That's really not
Pressure, I don't feeling.
Nigga, I'm getting it all this chicken. Fuck all that
Beef, I don't fuck with niggas.
Only steak, I'm out at dinner.
I'm really rich, I pay the killer.
Went from a dime, never served a nick. You better not smoke.
Looking like a zip, I buy pounds, I'm like a nigga, I'm different from the trench. My baby gonna never see the trenches. Yeah, I'm different from the trench. My baby will never see the trenches. So I'll read that, yo. This nigga see. Oh, alright. I thought he was finna dig around all my music. Yes, sir. You listen to like his more like sad shit? Not sad, but like singing. I listen to mostly singing. Nigga, that nigga was in my top 5, bro, for 2024. Huh? Like AJ Brown, I scored in Philly. I ain't a club type of nigga, so I'm in the club, still in my feelings, nigga. You don't even understand that shit, Jay. You don't understand it, bro. Huh? Nigga, I'm in a club. Wait, what'd he say? I'm in a club, still my. I ain't no club type of nigga, so I'm in the club, still in my feelings, nigga.